The internet has become one of the most useful tools in modern society. It is so widely used that concise definitions do not fully express its breadth and influence. Common definitions include a network of networks and interconnected computers. The truth is, the internet is a bit of both. The Oxford Dictionary defines the internet as a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. The big difference between the casual definition and the definition found in the Oxford Dictionary is standardized communication protocols. The internet is fundamentally a network of networks, but what makes it special is this list of standardized protocols used around the world. This list of standards ensures the internet will work the same way in Beijing as it does in London and New York. Included in this list is the Ethernet protocol, which guarantees the quality of connections across networks. Many of these standards also correspond to local networks, such as found in homes or small businesses. However, the internet is a global network, making it unique among all the networks in the world.
The internet didn't happen overnight, but happened through the course of years and decades to complete what we now view as the internet. This leads us to how the concept started. The concept started in 1957 with the Soviet Union launching Sputnik and with it global communication. During the years 1964 through 1967, two things were developed. Paul Baran developed message blocks and Donald Davies developed packet switching. In 1968, UCLA developed ARPANET's host-level protocols for becoming the first node. This is the foundation for protocols of the modern internet. TCP/IP protocol development begins in 1973, which allows diverse computer networks to interconnect and communicate with each other. In 1991, Al Gore creates a bill to fund the Information Superhighway, and this creates the High Performance Computing and Communication Act. The same year, the World Wide Web opens to the public, and the rest is history.
As we have learned, the internet is a global network. But what is a network? A network is a collection of computers that communicate with each other, commonly with the Ethernet protocol and often sharing information. Moreover, virtually all networks connect to other networks in the outside world via the internet. Most networks are as simple as one or two computers and a router. Computers communicate over Ethernet networks using packets, which are part of the TCP/IP protocol. One may think of a packet as a parcel being sent with UPS. You have minimum requirements to meet before shipping, such as wrapping the contents in a box, write the shipping address so UPS knows where to ship it, and write a return address so UPS knows where the package came from. Network packets work much in the same way. There are minimum requirements, such as encapsulating data with cryptography. The sending computer must know the address of the receiving computer, and the packet holds the sending computer's address in case of error during travel. It is clear people have spent a great deal of time to make the internet as robust as possible. These two protocols alone have helped the internet become what it is today. Such a powerful tool running across the globe begs the question, who is using the internet?
When we consider the world's population is more than 7 billion, and of those, 2.7 billion people use online resources, and a more global breakdown by regions, this would mean that 16% of Africa's population, 32% of Asian and Pacific population, 38% of Arab states population, 52% of CIS populations, 61% of the Americans population, and 75% of the Europeans populations use internet resources. We use the internet for many things. Banking, purchasing products, paying bills, and the list can go on. We are putting credit card numbers, names, phone numbers, and other sensitive personal information on the internet. Today, however, internet security is one of the utmost importance to everyone that accesses the internet. This is why security is important, and people are always working to keep on top of the security issues, and household and businesses should always have up-to-date protection on their computers. Privacy is dead may be an opinion that many share. However, privacy is still a major issue with the internet. With everyone on social media sites sharing every detail of their lives, and with people leaking government information, people everywhere are at risk of having their personal information stolen. While encrypting data and protecting your computer is very good precaution, it is not enough when we use the internet for almost everything and repeatedly put our personal data out there for hackers to take.
What about the way we interact with the internet? Are there any positive future projections? The internet has come a long way since past years, making our internet use a whole lot easier. The future of the internet begins with Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is said to be the future of the internet, especially for those that strive for a better experience. Web 3.0 is believed to include a new kind of semantic tagging capability, which is supposed to start the phase of internet becoming artificially intelligent. This will allow the internet to anticipate songs, movie listings, restaurant choices, and many more without constant input from the user. The internet is also going to play a huge role in healthcare and health departments in future years. New advanced technology products will be introduced which will drive the next generation of self-care by allowing patients to manage their own health efficiently. Importantly, for the individuals that suffer from heart problems or issues with the digestive system, worry no more. Pill-sized tablets made by Capsule Endoscopy Corporation will be releasing tablets with high camera capacity to the public. Developers are predicting that in future years, this pill is going to be able to detect signs of esophageal cancer, help diagnose cancer, and be able to spot future risks in the body, all by using the internet. The primary developer, Erickson Bell, believes that this product is the future of both the internet and medicine. How it is used with the internet in future years will better allow physicians to treat their patients from all walks of life.